Hi, I'm Lily, and today we have a guest star, my boyfriend. So, what do you want to make today?
Macaroons.
The hardest French pastry there is.
Yes.
In my mind. Okay, well, for that we will need milk. Doesn't matter what kind of milk, just milk. Optionally, food dye. You'll need granulated sugar, which is normal sugar, powdered sugar or perfection sugar, same thing.
And on this side you need almond flour. This is the flavor that we're making, which is mocha, which is just green tea. It's just grounded up. Vanilla extract. We have 2 things of butter and eggs.
We're gonna mix the dry ingredients. So that would be our powdered sugar, almond flour, and matcha. Matcha's optional. You do not take and replace it with anything if you are deciding not to get this. You will need a cup of powdered sugar. Level it, pretending I'm not making a mess and destroying this beautiful table. We went ahead and sifted the almond flour all the way through since we didn't want to make y'all watch that. You need 1 teaspoon of the culinary grade matcha. You don't have to sift it, luckily. So now we are going to be
Egging.
fluffing our eggs. So we only need the egg whites. So
Oh, great.
the best way to get the egg yolk separated from the egg whites is to crack it into your hand and kind of wiggle it.
Man, if only I knew this last time when I was making key lime pie.
Oops, you dropped it in. You're gonna need the egg yolks for the icing later. But we have our 2 egg whites, and we will take and blend them until they have soft peaks. And then we'll add in half of our granuated sugar. Okay, so you need a total of 1/4 of a cup, but you're gonna slowly add it in while you're blending, but not all at once. Slowly put it in a little bit, not all at once, because then you'll deflate your eggs, and then you'll blend. Look, see how he moves it, and it holds its shape almost, but it falls back down beautifully. That's called a soft peak. We need it to be able to touch it, and you pull it up, and it'll be sharp and stay in that place.
So keep going.
This is the time you'll add your food coloring if desired. It's just emphasizing our matcha
1,
color.
2, 2. You got 2. That's not 3.
Blend this in. Okay, so this is probably the most complicated part, because if you mess this up,
You're screwed.
yeah. So what you want to do is gently mix. Now what you want to do is add in about a spoonful of this and sprinkle it on top. You're going to want to fold it. Yes. Would you like to watch as well? Look, you take it, fold it. Fold it. Continue this with all of it. You don't have to get a clean spoon, just... Okay, so right here we have our parchment paper, and so that way the cookies won't stick to it. You would take a piping bag with a round tip and make little circles. So we're gonna take our spoon. What you're gonna do is hold both sides. Now slam it down. It gets the bubbles out. You see the little bubbles on top that are popping. Okay. All you have to do, now we set our 20-minute timer.
So you can take and touch them and nothing's left on my finger.
Next thing, we're making the icing. So you want to put your 2 egg yolks in a bowl.
Oh.
Add in a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Put them on the eggs. And then you're also going to add in 3½ teaspoons of milk. On medium-low heat, you're going to take and mix it, and you're going to do it until it looks like a custard. So once you have your custard made, like pudding, you want to turn off your heat, get to a not hot surface, and you want to add in 7 tablespoons of butter and put in extract. 1 of your halves and glop it on. You get a cookie about the same size. Yeah, that looks about right. You need to place the top on. There's your cookie. Okay, so these are our 3 judges. Each one of y'all grab a cookie on y'all's left.
Wait, no, this one, yeah. Which one? Oh.
Don't eat them yet.
Now, please grab one on your right. Before eating them, which one looks better? Please point. Okay, please eat both cookies.
Same time.
Remembering how each of the cookie part feels and what the icing feels like. Now, which one has the best cookie?
Alright, Lily, which one's which, huh?
Which one has the best icing? Okay.
Whoever wants this cookie, they can have it.